Hi everybody. It is super windy out
Yeah.
here in Las Vegas. There is some wind going on. Super windy and chilly. I think we have like a severe wind warning or something. But just wanted to say hi. 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 Everyone's over there. Hi.
We're out here.
Out here.
And I'm
it's
gonna go
windy.
get a popsicle. There's my bottle. Actually, I'll get something else.
But it's super windy out. Barely see the sun. I don't know if you can see it. It's windy out here in Las Vegas. And we are just hanging out. It's not raining because when I looked on the thing, it said there was only a 15% chance of rain. So we're outside chilling because it's nice and cool outside. Nice and cool and windy. All right. Bye, y'all.